Are you dreaming of a career focused on the environment? Do you picture yourself working outdoors, conserving species at risk, restoring damaged ecosystems, or analyzing soil and water quality samples in our labs? If so, you have a home in the Trent Environmental and Sustainability area of study. Hi, my name is Ryan Austin. I'm an enrollment advisor here at Trent and also a proud graduate from the School of the Environment. When I was thinking of where I wanted to go for school, Trent was an obvious choice because of our world-renowned environmental and sustainability programs. With over 14 programs and 100 different courses to choose from, I had a broad range of topics as well as experiential learning both inside and outside of the classroom. When you choose one of our programs in the environmental and sustainability area of study, whether it be environmental and resource science like me, or water science, environmental chemistry, or conservation biology, you're going to gain that critical hands-on experience through our world-class labs, wind tunnels, research farm, and classrooms, as well as through the 1,400 acres of wetlands, forests, rivers, and nature areas we offer here on our beautiful campus. If you have any questions about our environmental and sustainability area of study, or just questions about Trent in general, our recruitment team is here to help. Contact us by phone, email, or text, and especially by coming to one of our open house or campus tours events.